YouTubers, this is CS162790. Father's Day rail fanning part 2. And I have an ES40 DC with an inner model. I think that's all that really comes out here because there's an inner model yard down there. Anyway. A very short train. Surprisingly enough, I can actually still see the locomotive from here, but can't quite figure out if we got another one on the next track. Doesn't look like it, but I'm gonna see if the lights go out, and they just did. Happy Father's Day, and look to see if there is a part 2. I'm not sure. Part 3, actually. I am not sure. This is part 2. Thank you. Rate, comment, and subscribe.